Laila Al Jassmi, CEO of Health Policy and Strategy, Dubai Health Authority, United Arab Emirates. The aspect of medical tourism and the role that Dubai Health Authority has taken in the Congress this year is that we became the diamond sponsorship for the medical tourism of this year, and that actually has been one of our strategic initiatives of positioning Dubai as a globally recognized destination for medical tourism. We hope to gain from this Congress is that to learn a lot and share of the knowledge and the experience that we do have back home, and we network with different healthcare providers, facilitator, and country who has been developed in health tourism, and learn from their experience and help to support positioning us and developing our path toward medical tourism. Our next step for the upcoming years for Dubai is that we are working very extensively with all our healthcare providers and facilitators to ensure that we come as a one team toward developing our strategy in health tourism. However, we are working very closely with the Medical Tourism Association to support us in laying out the foundation for the medical tourism in Dubai. I will be speaking more about the market in the Middle East and looking into the developments that happening in the GCC country, and driven from that how Dubai is working toward laying foundation for becoming a medical tourism destination. The medical tourism as a value being brought to this Congress, it gives you more of a knowledge and more of an experience and more of a learning practice on how that thriving toward a clinical excellence is not just a healthcare provider's role. It's a role of all the players within that country. It's bringing all the governmental and all the people around in the organization to work toward one path. Being a member, actually, there is a lot of added value to it, because you've learned from a lot of people that's being a member within this association. You take a lot of skills, you learn a lot from the experience, you share a lot of information, and you exchange a lot of knowledge and skills. I mean, there have been a lot of enjoyable in this networking meetings because you get to know people, you get to share with them your experience, and you get to learn a lot from them. So the Congress actually is very amazing, because every year you get to learn a lot from it, and you get to know a lot of countries who has been developing into this industries, and you get to know a lot of healthcare provider though. Which I would like to say here is that we are so happy to have the privilege of being the diamond sponsor at this Congress this year, and we are aiming to establish a good and a fruitful relationship with the Medical Tourism Association, and we are aiming that we learn a lot from this Congress, and we aim at having the country where we come off is more recognized into the medical perspectives more than the leisure perspectives.